Organic chemistry is so vast that we need to be able to sort of deal with it in a rational way. So we are going to introduce concept or notion of functional groups. Now, functional groups could be an atom, could be group of atoms, it could be multiple bonds between carbon atoms. Each functional group is distinct. It has a distinct property, and therefore the compound that has that functional group will carry that property exactly. If you look at this example here, this is example of an alcohol. So you have a carbon skeleton, and then you have the functional group, which is a hydroxyl. So OH represent alcohols, and it's a hydroxyl group, which is oxygen and hydrogen, different from hydroxide, which were your bases. So this is a hydroxyl, this is an alcohol, its functional group, and this is the carbon skeleton. Now, in order to name this, you see how many carbons you have, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is pentanol, and the hydroxyl could be on any of the carbons. So this is on carbon 1. So we call it 1-pentanol or pent-1-ol. So that represent an alcohol. I put the L as capital, it shouldn't be capital. If you look at another functional group, if you have NH2 in it, this represents an amine. So that's your functional group. And in order to name it, then again, you see you have 5 carbons. So this is pentylamine. And then again, it's on the first carbon. So this is pentylamine. Some older textbooks used to call it aminopentane. That's also valid. So functional groups have a distinct properties, and a compound that carries that functional group will carry that property as well. Now I'm going to, next slide, introduce all the functional groups you need to know for this year.